Want to blend two images together in Canva but don't know how? Maybe you're making a cool thumbnail, a new social media post, or just want a fun edit. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to blend two images together using an app inside Canva. Let's get started. Once you're on the home page, you can either come up and create a custom sized template here. Though for this tutorial, I'm just going to come over and select the YouTube thumbnail template. Now that we have a blank canvas to work with, let's upload the two images we'd like to blend. Come over to the left toolbar and select Uploads. From here, select Upload Files and locate the two images you want to use. Then we'll just select Open at the bottom right and they should start uploading. Wonderful. Next, we want to click and drag the image we want as our background onto our template like this. And if it isn't the same size as our template, just click on it and drag the corners out till it fills the area you'd like. Now we'll click and drag our foreground image on top of the background. Just to point out, make sure you don't let Canva auto-scale your image to fill the whole frame like this, as when you now go to move your top image, it's actually replaced the background image, which has now disappeared. Instead, you just want to hover over the background image and then let go. Now just scale it up manually by dragging the corners until you're happy with how it's positioned. Next, make sure to select the top layer by clicking on it, and then we'll come over to the left toolbar and select Apps. In the search bar, type in Image Blender, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Now go ahead and open the app called Image Blender. You'll see a button called Blend Selected Image, and once we click on this, both of the images will start to blend, but we just need to adjust this to make it look better. You'll see a couple of options have appeared. Linear is selected by default, and this creates a straight line to blend with, as you can see on the image. You can change the angle of this line by click and dragging one of the circles on the ends of the line here. Underneath linear is the strength tool, and this lets you adjust whether the blend line will get sharper or softer between the two images. If you increase this to 100, the line is razor sharp, and if we bring it all the way down to 0, it looks much more softer. So adjust this to what works best for you. Instead of using the strength tool, you can also get the same result by dragging the circles on the end of the line in or out. If you shorten the line, you get a much sharper blend, and if you drag the line out, it creates a softer blend, which I think works best for blending both images together in this example. Beside linear is the radial button. Now, instead of the blend being a straight line, this lets you blend an area with a circular blend, and I really like how this works in my example. I'll just move the radial blend to the top left corner and then drag the line out to make it softer, which gives off a look that the woman in this photo is daydreaming about a nice paradise beach instead of being stuck at home doing work. Once you're happy with your outcome, simply press save, and then you can download your new image by clicking on share in the top right and coming down and clicking download. You can change the file type, though PNG is recommended, and then change it to whatever size you'd like it to be, and finally press download again. This will now save to your downloads, and here we have the final result. If this video helped, drop a like, hit subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.